Hi everyone. Today's recipe is a vintage recipe. It's coming from the Aunt Bee's Mayberry cookbook. Now this cookbook originally was published in 1960. So today's recipe, I'm making Andy's Red Hot Applesauce. So what all goes into Andy's Red Hot Applesauce? 7 to 8 medium apples. I'm using Honeycrisp, water, 1/2 cup of Red Hots, and 3 tablespoons sugar. So let's begin. So you want to take your apples and peel them and core them and then chop them into large chunks. So I'm just going to core them this way, and then I will peel each piece and chop them into chunks. Whew, that's a brand new thing I got at the Dollar Tree. I know my old one, if I could find it, works better, but I'll continue to do that and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm using 9 apples because a whole bag only had 9 apples, and I thought I might as well just throw that in. My little thing was taking too long. I didn't want my apples to get brown before I got them all cut. So I'm just taking and peeling the apples and then coring it at the end. So, and then cutting them into big chunks. You want to fill the pan with water until it is just barely covering the apples. Turn your heat to medium, cover the pan, and bring it up to a simmer. All right, so it is just starting to simmer. We will put the lid back on. So we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, so after 24 minutes, the apple is really tender. So I removed it from the heat, and we're going to try to get out as much of the water as we can. So I'm going to use my ladle and just pour it in a bowl. I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but I went ahead and just drained it and put that back in there. It's got a little bit of liquid yet. I don't know how much they want, but if they want most of it out, then I got most of it out. So then take your 3 tablespoons of sugar and your 1/2 cup of Red Hots, and stir that until fully dissolved. And I'll keep doing that, and I'll be back. All right, so the sugar and the Red Hot candies are all dissolved, and I'm guessing this is going to be a chunky applesauce since it doesn't call for it to be mashed. We'll cover it and put it in the refrigerator until we are ready to serve. So here is Andy's Red Hot Applesauce. Rounding out the meal is fried ham and Southern style green beans and potatoes. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks like pineapple and watermelon sauce. What is this?
That is Andy's Red Hot Applesauce.
Oh, spicy applesauce. Okay. Is it chunks of apple or pineapple?
Apple.
Okay. Oh, it smells like Red Hots. Oops. I need a bib. That's pretty good. There's the Red Hots are not real in your face, but there's enough of them in there that you can they add some flavor to it. So it's really interesting, and I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.